what, one?
One class she missed.
She'll be in junior 2 gate, open 2 gate,
Linda, you'll have to get credit for the next class.
junior F.
Water jog, please.
Yeah,
She'll be in 3 gate.
Yeah, she has 3 gate.
Okay, then she'll be in 3 gate. And 2 fences classes.
Yeah, it's just one class. she's
Rob's
missing.
not going in here?
No, we don't ride.
Why don't you have the girl ride?
I thought she had that girl riding.
Yeah, but she's riding her own little quarter horse today.
Oh, okay.
And Rob didn't have enough screens. I mean, Rob didn't have enough screens.
Yeah, a little water in here, but he's right away.
Yes. Just
Feel it? She might be worried too.
now that works great.
I don't know how long I can do this for, but I can make videos.
No, not really, because I don't see too many horses that she had big ears like that one horse there. Just to see that they have this event going on, it's pretty nice. She will be coming shortly. You see the...
I heard, yeah.
Find out later when I go get her.
Trotter jog, please. Trotter jog.
We never come. Well, because I think it's
Thank you.
really
Sure.
for the fall classes.
You can keep it if you
Um,
Oh, I wrote it up, so it should be alright.
Sorry, couldn't fix it. Alright? So, no, I think it's, I did call Cheyenne present, so I think it's just over Cheyenne. This is 2 gate. If she gets over here for the jumping, that's the main thing. Okay, see a little bit. Cheyenne got a first and a fourth.
Walked in the ring.
Larry was like snorkeling. Oh, that's good though.
Just fit.
Looks like a little meatball.
Huh?
He's so round. He's like a little meatball. Can you no, it's so round.
Presentation, did you notice? And top 3 grade. It's presentation, I mean.
Yeah. I think Betsy will be good in this class.
They told me, I brought my car in.
Lisa needs to start riding dressage. Have you seen her as a patient? She don't move in the saddle.
She wins every time.
Luckily, she needs to ride dressage.
Oh,
I just told her mom.
that horse isn't easy to ride. I'll do that.
I left it there for 2 days.
He was cantering. He was cantering. Or it was more like a low.
That's the worst information you want ammo. Okay? You didn't want to drink water from the place. That's really good. Like 7 years, like glass, like 2 minutes.
The high performance ones are like $400.